so you, what you're doing yet? Need a second. A lot of midfield action. We're looking for those weapon caches.
Oh, there he is.
Where are you? Damn, dude.
In the north.
No, we watched everybody come in.
Looking at your head. No, you didn't, because I was still back there when you guys were leaving. You guys walked off.
All right, guys. So anyway,
He was a
all
ranger
said,
in the
we look at the
airport.
weapon caches. Yeah, try to say, if we find mines on the radio,
Coast Guard, bro.
you know, Dan thinks he's all that. Well, I was thinking, you know, that there might be a little bit of, you know, we're trying to terminate the colonel's command. So that's to say, I know specifically the SF guys get it, and they just may set up a firing squad. You know how Dan likes being on the other side of the firing squad. He loves being on the other side of the firing squad. Well, you guys capture Dan, why don't you set up a little firing squad for us?
Yeah, let's put you back here, like right there, or even over there. Well, we have to get it on video. Allison has to be here for it.
All right, guys, listen, if you guys are all set, then I know some are going east, some are going west, some are going east, some may be going straight north. Again, we're all on the command net. Remember, the blue command net is 7.
Right.
Those guys are going to go with me east, pick up the U.S. fire base. We will radio in the approximate grid coordinate when the fire base is positioned. It may be a control base. That will be another midfield spawn point to you guys. 7.70, yeah, the command channel. Are there any special requests as to where you guys would like us to try to find a spot to put the spawn point? The pyramid, the temple. We'll see if we can't find a space near the pyramid. Nice midfield. Yeah, midfield options like that one. We'll try to see if we can't move it up to the temple. We'll radio in approximately where it is on the command channel within the mission place. All right, everybody's set. Start going hunting.
21 and up, Jamie.